Everybody, woo! Bike trails, Trey and Starla hitting it, finding new locations. Just wanted to show y'all a little
bit of nature.
Little bit of nature.
So beautiful.
Starla, she keep bragging because she got the 2021 bike. Hers got all the bells and whistles, and I got the 2020. It's beautiful, man. Listen, if you're out there sitting in the house, social media, sometimes it's best just to come out of nature, man. There's nothing like it. Like we always say, live, love, and laugh, and namaste, namaste, namaste.
Peace, everybody.
Now, we just took uncharted territories. Starla way back then. This was learned to me by my granddaddy. Look at the deers. Oh man, they done hopped off. I had to go to mosquitoes bad. But Miss Starla, Starla done got spooked because I done got off the charted territory. Crazy. They deep out here. Oh man, this is beautiful, y'all. Heart of nature, baby. Remind me back at Level Plains. Quentin, if you seeing this, boy, you know about this stuff here, boy. We take uncharted trails. I just seen like 5 deers, man, pouncing around out there. I know y'all laughing at us like these. Trying to turn into Bayo, granddaddy. All right, man, out, you guys.